Hi friends, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you about the value in MB52 transaction. For example, let's go to MB52, the stock report, pass any plant and the storage location. So you will get the list of materials along with the stock and the value. Okay, let's take any one material. Let's take 251. Okay. Because if it is single line, that will be helpful for you to understand easily. So here you can see that quantity is 25, value is 1650. Now go to /O MM 03 251. Go to the accounting one view, org levels, GKP1 plant. Here you can see that moving average price 66. Okay, and the total stock is 27. So now if you can come here, so 1650 by 25. And also there is some quality inspection is there. So that also we can just keep it. 132, quantity is 20. This is value, this is quantity. If there is no quality stock and all, then it could be easier for you to understand. Let's 48. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, put a formula. Okay. Say both are 66. So that's no need to worry on that, because always the value will be taken from the price in the material master. That's what I wanted to tell. So what the price we can see here when you're checking this material master. Okay, see here moving average price. If the material is managed in standard price, for example, here the price control is V. If it is standard, system will get that value based on the standard price. So finally, the answer is the value in MB52, whether it can be understood stock value or quality, whatever. So the value in MB52 will be derived from the material master price. If it is price control is V, then it will be moving average price. If the price control is yes, it will be standard price. So the price will come from the value comes from the moving average price. Okay. Value is calculated based on the value is calculated based on the material master price. That's what I wanted to tell here. Here, one point we need to highlight. If the price control is V, if it is V, then it will be MAP. It will be moving average price. If the price control is yes, it will be taken from the standard price. Okay. This is the price control. Price control. Okay. The price control is okay. If the price control is V, then system will calculate based on the moving average price. If the price control is S, then system will calculate based on the standard price. I hope this video has helped you to understand how the value in stock report is being calculated. If you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to our channel and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. If 1,000 people or 10,000 people watch our video, my efforts are same. So you can join your hands to make these videos to reach maximum people. Thanks for your support and have a good day.